Hi, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can create a really cool silhouette effect in Canva, and you can do it in less than 3 minutes. So first, let's open a new document, and then I do recommend using a black background. So you want to click on the background and click color, and then selecting the black color. And that was the color code. In case you're using the hex color code, you can use the hash 0006 times, and that will bring you this solid black color. Anyway, let's move on to the next step. Let's go to elements and let's go to shapes, and you want to insert a circle shapes, and then you want to change the color to white, and then let's make it slightly bigger. And I'm going to put this precisely in the middle. Now it's time to put some picture. You can use whatever picture that you want, as long as there is a face, or there is a shape of a body or a human or animal or anything, then you're good to go. You can upload your own picture, or you can also select a picture from the Canva stock library. In this case, I'm going to be using this picture from the Canva library. And yeah, I think this is pretty good picture to begin with. The face is facing sideways, and it's just giving the shape of the face, and this is just how more silhouette effect is being presented. And let's try flipping this image so our face is facing to the left. And now let's click background remover to remove the background from this picture. Now I'm going to put this picture precisely in the middle. Okay, I think this is good enough. And let's navigate to edit, click duotone, click custom, and click highlights. Set it to black, and do the same thing for the shadows, and make sure the intensity to be exactly 100%. We want to make sure that her face is completely invisible here. And let's make some adjustment, and there you go. This is basically the result. That is a simple silhouette effect that you can create easily using Canva. Anyway, that's it for today. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.